In today's video, I want us to talk about two cruise ports, the port in Falmouth, Jamaica, and the newest port in the República Dominicana, the Dominican Republic, Cabo Rojo. Come along with us. It will be an eclectic merge of viewing as we look at these two cruise ports. And you might wonder why these two. One is over 10 years old, and the other is less than 10 months old. As a matter of fact, it was inaugurated, it was opened just recently. So, why do the comparison? For me, it's a simple answer. Being fiercely Jamaican and being very Caribbean, I cannot help but look at what both destinations have to offer. Jamaica being considered the light of the Caribbean, and DR being the silent giant. I must put one with the other. And so this is the reason for the comparison. You see, Jamaica has so much life and vivaciousness to offer to the traveler. Jamaica is still the destination of choice for over 4 million travelers each year. But we cannot neglect the fact that in 2024, the DR received over 11 million visitors. And cruising has been a staple for the Jamaican tourism economy. And somehow it behoves me to believe that Jamaica and the Port Authority of Jamaica sits passively content with what they have produced, with our last main port being developed in Falmouth, and that being over 10 years ago. Port Royal has a port facility with a swinging port. There's a word for it, but it's not a port that is frequently used nor visited, nor does it allow the best access to many places that the traveling public would want to visit. And I kind of backtrack on that right away, but the disclaimer would be you would really need to map out Kingston and its environs to show the beauty of it, while the port in Falmouth is already established and it's 45 minutes from Ocherius, 45 minutes or less from Montego Bay, destination areas where people like to visit. But port for port, that's what we're looking at today. Let's just look at these inserts for comparison, shall we? The port in Falmouth, Jamaica was constructed in collaboration with the Port Authority of Jamaica and Royal Caribbean Limited. And as was stated earlier, it's about 10 years old. And Cabo Rojo seems to be wholly operated by the DR. There is a port company that either constructed it and or operates it, but it is not connected, as far as I know, to a cruise line. Now, Holland America seem to have been the company that has been making calls there, but as the year progresses, we understand that NCL, MSC, Princess even, which is a part of Carnival Corporation, along with Holland America, will be making frequent calls there. But just look at the expanse, look at the range of activities, and think of it as a port where, having docked there, one does not need to exit, and they can fully enjoy the port as a standalone activity. En fin, port areas are becoming more inclusive, and private islands have developed their own special sauce. It is still a debate where persons believe that the clients, the cruisers, are being kept away from the populace, and that debate will rage on. And for me, it's neither knee or nay. This video focuses on the installations available at the ports and the things to look forward to. And for me, as a seller of cruises, it is very important that every time a ship docks with our clients, we are able to offer the value of the ports that are available in the itinerary. Now, controlled visitor environments are very important, as are the immersive experiences. And so my wish is that both Falmouth and Cabo Rojo, in this instance, would provide comfortable, controlled visitor engagement facilities, so that in the event that the traveler chooses not to exit the port, they can have a day full of fun, frolic, water entertainment and enjoyment, and just a good time in destination. Let us keep this conversation going in the comment section, because as you know, Sheri has lots to say. Ciao for now.